In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Asana. Maybe you've got old projects cluttering up your view, or perhaps you're streamlining your team's digital workspace. Whatever the reason, deleting a workspace in Asana is a straightforward task once you know the steps involved. First things first, let's navigate to the Asana website. This is the hub where all your team's tasks and projects live, and it's where we'll begin the deletion process. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by Asana's dashboard, which serves as your command center. Here, you can see your tasks, projects, and all the details you need to manage your work efficiently. Now, direct your gaze to the top right corner of the screen where you should see your profile photo. This photo is more than just an avatar. It's a gateway to a host of personal menu options. Give it a click, and this will open up a range of choices. But for today's task, our focus is on the workspace selection. Make sure to proceed with caution here. Selecting the correct workspace to delete is crucial because this action is irreversible. Double-check to ensure you're choosing the right one. All set? Let's move on by clicking your profile photo once more. This repetition isn't a mistake. It's an intentional step that allows you to navigate through the menu effectively. Your target this time is the Settings option. This part of the menu holds all the power. Once you're in Settings, look for the Account tab. This section isn't just for updating your email or password. It's also where you can manage workspace memberships. Within this tab, click on Remove Me from this workspace to initiate the process. Now, it's important to note that this action doesn't delete the actual workspace for everyone involved. What it does is remove your access to it. This distinction is key, especially if you're working within a team. You'll see a confirmation window pop up at this stage. It's Asana's way of asking, "Are you sure?" It's the point of no return, so take an extra moment to be absolutely certain you're ready to proceed. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm by clicking Remove. And just like that, you've effectively cleaned up your workspace list, allowing you to focus on what's most important right now. Remember, even though the workspace is removed from your view, it's not deleted for other team members. This ensures you won't accidentally disrupt your team's workflow. Deleting a workspace or removing yourself from one in Asana can help you maintain a clear, focused work environment. It's all about keeping your digital space as organized as your physical one. With this tutorial, you are well on your way to becoming an Asana decluttering expert. Here's to a more organized and efficient working space.